Guys, welcome to Vacay Mode Travels. Today we are going to be talking about tips for first-time cruisers, so stay tuned to learn a little bit more.
And if you find this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and follow us for more tips and tricks. Tip number 1.
Choose the right itinerary.
There are so many itineraries to choose from. Consider where you want to go first and foremost. Caribbean cruise, Mexican Riviera, an Alaskan cruise. Also consider the cruise ship type. Do you want an adults only ship? And when you are cruising, you want to have time to relax, so consider days at sea where you don't have a port stop, can just enjoy your time on the ship. Number 2.
Pack smart and light.
Beyond the bare essentials, consider where you are going. If it's sunny, have multiple swimsuits and a hat. If it's rainy or cooler, have layers. And if you're doing excursions or any kind of hiking, you want to have good walking shoes. Also leave some space in your suitcase for things that you might be bringing back. If you're traveling internationally, consider making copies of your passport and having those on you when you do take an excursion. Do want to note that most cruise ships do have laundry services. 3.
Dive into onboard activities.
I often refer to cruise ships as floating cities because there is so much to do. Familiarize yourself with the daily activities and itinerary. A printout of the daily activities can be found in your room or on a phone app through your cruise line. Nightly entertainment, shows, live music, trivia, casino. Many cruises also have designated kids area for activities for them to do. It's also not uncommon to have theme nights or formal nights on each cruise. Tip number 4.
Explore port destinations.
This is the best part of a cruise, where you can go out, immerse yourself in local culture and cuisine. You can book a guided tour, find a local food spot. Is there something unique to the area? Is there something that's specific to that time period in which you're visiting? And if anything else, speak to a local to find some good spots. Try to take a look at the calendar of events for when you are visiting. Also see if there are any cultural events in the area. Many cruise port stops arrive in the morning and leave in the afternoon or evening, but there are a few times where you will have an overnight stay at that port stop. Final tip, tip number 5.
Go with the flow and enjoy your time.
Remember, this is a vacation, so do and see as much or as little as you'd like to. Don't put pressure on seeing or doing all the excursions at every port stop. The better you're prepared, the more efficient your time is used, and it'll make for a more memorable vacation.
So much for joining us for these 5 tips for first-time cruisers. If you found this information helpful, give a like. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. And most importantly, when you are looking to plan your first cruise, reach out to us. We'd love to make sure that you have an unforgettable experience.
Safe travels!